Hello, welcome back everyone. It's Mitchell here. If you don't know who I am, I'm not sure how to say who I am, but I love to make game development and doing maybe some vlogs, devlogs or whatever, but most focus is on about game development and my life, of course. This video I just want to talk a little bit random about what I have been doing. That first I did have some holiday. And yeah, I got 1 week holiday, so that feels awesome. And of course, I did have my birthday, was in 9 July, so I did just go out and eat some Spanish food, and that was really awesome. I'm gonna see if I can put a picture here. I took some picture on the food and that, so that was really awesome. And the holiday was awesome, but the weather did sucks. I know in Europe, like Spain, France and everywhere there, Germany, it's awesome weather, but here in Sweden was like, I'm not sure what I can say, but it was very rainy and very cloudy, so that sucks. But I did have a really good holiday. And when I was on holiday, new microphone, because my old I'm gonna give to my wife. And look on this one, I got a new lamp, so you can, I'm not sure if it's called same like in Swedish, but it's called dim light. Is it same? You can comment if it's the same. So you can make it a little bit brighter or a little bit more lower light, so that's really awesome, and it looks really perfect. I'm gonna put this when I'm coming back to my apartment. That's something I want to talk about my apartment. I haven't talked so much about it because if you didn't know, or if you know, I have been from my apartment now maybe 7 months something. It was in New Year. New Year I did moved from apartment. And I have been here in Stockholm City right now. I'm waiting for my apartment renovate. And in October I gonna move back in. We hope that, because right now they said like, because if Ukraine war, it's some stuff that missing, so it's taking a little bit longer time to renovate some things like the floor. I'm not remember exactly, but they said in October, so we hope for October. I have been in this apartment too long, I feel. But I just feels like we should talk about a little bit about the game development. What have I done? Have I done anything or like that? Yeah, I have done that, but I have been more like, I haven't talked too much about what I've been doing, and I haven't released so many videos, and no devlogs and like that. But I have, if you haven't seen, I did make a game, a short scary game in around 78 hours. I don't remember the hours exactly, but a couple of days did I make a game. So I'm still making game development. But about that I want to talk about my game BLIXIA. This feels like very weird to talk about, because I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do. I want to work with the project, but in same time I feels like, do I really want to make that? I know there was in the back, I did lost my BLIXIA Quest. No. It was a long time ago, but so when I did lost that project, I did jump in very fast and started with the game I starting to call now BLIXIA. And it's same genre RPG with small elements, with gathering, crafting like that. And I started to make, it's very playable. You can, I did add a network with it, so you can create and host and join and like that. If it's not really complete, it's far from complete, we should say. It's very far from complete. I did start a project very fast because I did feels very stressed. My Blixten Quest was nearly complete, maybe 20% from complete. Needed to do some things like maybe fix the combat, but when the crash started, I did start with this BLIXIA that we are calling right now, and I did feels like it was too fast to start that. I did feels like oh, this is gonna be awesome, I have the motivation, everything. And I started really good, but you know, starting too fast without a planning, it's a bad idea. The thing started, first I started top down, like we can say Diablo-like thing, you're clicking with the mouse and spamming skills, like hack and slash. And after that I want to use keyboard like WASD, and I changed that, and you can start attack with the mouse. When you're using your cursor, it's gonna aim on that direction. Yeah, it's so many things. I'm jumping from that to that because my plan was like nothing. I didn't know I want to make little bit same like Blixten Quest, but I did jump too fast to the project, and looks now it's like you put everything in a pot, like with water, with potatoes, with carrot, with flowers, then example come a sofa and you put in snow, like it's like you're mixing everything, so it's a bad idea. The project is quite interesting right now too. It's like playable, you can killing, you can get experience, so it's still working to create a game, but without a really good plan for a good direction, it's gonna be quite bad, because it's a very big scope. Yeah, and that's have really happened. The scope got a little bit too far, because first I jumping from that to that and that, and I want to make that, and I starting to learn Blender with 3D models, low polygraphic, and then you need to start making that and that. You understand, it's starting to be a very big scope without a good plan, and that's made the deadline cannot get complete every month I wanted. If example, maybe some feature took 1 month, but I did hope for maybe 1 to 2 weeks, and the motivation starting to going down, and you're starting to look on other things, and yeah, it's going on like that. That's why I haven't worked with my, we can call BLIXIA. But I still have the project. I log in. I open the project and doing little bit work there and there, but I'm not really sure if it's really that I shall do right now. That I know I really love to make game development and making videos about that. That's why I have been very like low and not creating too many video about devlogs. But to be honest, devlogs is one of my favorite, because when you're making devlogs, you can show your own life and still showing your own game. You can mix it really good. I know mostly coming there to look on your game, but if you can show your life and create your game, see the background, what you're really doing, it's not only about programming, it's about the wealthy health. Wealthy health. Oh yeah, that sounds quite good. But you understand, there's so many things, so it feels like I have been sitting and thinking and what I shall do, but I know I'm still gonna do this kind of devlogs and show my life when I'm doing game development. But about my BLIXIA, yeah, it's really sad, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. So that one is on pause, and I did feels like people that did see my devlogs, I got a lot of views on them. I'm very happy all of you did look on the devlogs for Blixten Quest and BLIXIA, but right now I have paused that, and I guess everyone did see that. Haven't made a devlog for maybe a couple of months, and exactly I don't remember exactly when, I think it was in December or November something. But the motivation crashed a little bit more when my apartment got the burning problem, water damage, so that did take down the motivation a little bit more, but I feel strong. I still gonna make videos, just having fun is most important. Yeah, this was something I just want to talk about. It feels like I did talk very long here, just sitting explain, but it feels really good. But I really hope I can soon start with the devlogs, but that you can see here, when I'm sitting like this, I shouldn't complain. Like, I have my computer and everything here, but it's still not the same when you're home. I shouldn't complain, but still I need to complain. I didn't feel very comfortable here when I'm sitting programming. Sometimes this desk, look, I'm sitting on wooden, like a kitchen table, but a kitchen chair. It feels like not really fun to creating things when I'm sitting like this, but yeah, it's like that. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope I can make some more videos soon, and I hope you have an awesome day. And remember, smile and get your motivation. That's the key for your happiness. Oh, I think that was quite good, right? I think that.